Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the REUP line by CRFT. Based out of Southern California, REUP is manufactured in a state-of-the-art facility. The line is a 70 VG 30 PG blend, available in 100 milliliter bottles and 0, 3, and 6 milligrams of nicotine. Green Delight is a sweet and sour green apple candy flavor. I get tart green apple for the smell. The inhale is a sweet blast of hard candy, with a medium tart apple on the exhale. Purple Delight is a sweet and tangy grape pop flavor. The smell has great candy-like notes. Both the inhale and the exhale are a lightly sweet grape flavor. Red Delight is a bright and tangy strawberry sour straw-filled candy flavor. For the smell, I get tart and strawberry notes. The inhale is sweet candy strawberry with tart notes lingering on the exhale. REUP is a good line of sweet, tart, and fruit notes. Green Delight was my favorite flavor of the review. A great blend. Purple and Red Delight were good, but I get light hints of perfume or floral notes on the exhale, which I didn't care for. Other than that, good blends of sweet and tart notes. Currently, the REUP line costs $19.99 per 100 milliliter bottle. If you'd like to try the line for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.